Edit like a pro media management and timeline organization. Editing is not just about cuts, it's about structure, clarity, and control. In this Film Academy lesson, you will learn how to organize your entire editing workflow to ensure speed, precision, and professional quality. Before you even import your footage into the software, proper naming and structuring is key. We name each clip based on the script, scene, and shooting order. This avoids chaos later. Sort your files into folders: Scene 01, Scene 02, B-roll, Sound FX, etc. Create a project master folder with subfolders like footage, audio, graphics, exports, and autosaves. Once inside your editing software, match your footage with your script and timecode notes. This keeps everything in sync. Use color labels, bins, or markers to organize by scene, emotion, or shot type. On the timeline, group shots by scene to give yourself a visual map of the story. Stack audio and video layers logically. Use V1, V2 for main footage, V3 plus for overlays or effects, A1 for dialogue, A2 for ambiances, and so on. A clean timeline equals a clear mind. Professional editors spend less time searching and more time crafting the story because their workflow is rock solid. Next up, we'll dive into one of the most fundamental skills in editing: cutting techniques, match cut, outcut, and J-cut. Get ready to cut with rhythm and meaning.
Welcome to FilmCC. Scene about guiding, dreams deciding, watch to earn, the stars aligning. One frame, one vote, your stake, your say, you shape the films in a brand new way.